What's up, guys? We're starting day 2, which is half demo, because we gotta take these walls out, and then half flooring. We're gonna put the insulation and subfloor, and yeah, let's do it.
We went a 1/4 inch because, well, it was cheaper, but we're hoping that we should still be okay. I guess we should find out. The guy at Home Depot made me run all the way across the store because he couldn't find
The barcode.
the barcodes. We even told him they might be on the smaller one. Dumbass. We're figuring this out, people. We are very, very new at doing all this. We've been learning by the University of YouTube.
That.
I'll drink on it. No, I didn't break the clip. We're good.
You didn't break it?
Nope.
Sweet. So we thought that we needed them 9 feet. Apparently it was like 8 feet and 11 inches. So we gotta cut that much off on each one of these boards.
Sorry, neighbors.
Yeah, we also don't have a house with like a garage and stuff. So, you know, we're doing it at our apartment complex. So our neighbors kind of probably hate us right now. Well, we're trying to be quiet. I'm sorry. My camera battery's dying, guys, so we're gonna get what we can get. Try to. Well, first piece with the glue, liquid nails actually. We had to go back to Home Depot because we got the wrong size caulking gun. We got one that was like 3 times as big as that, so we had to go get the right size. So we're putting this glue down on all these woods, or pieces of wood, and then we're gonna put the foam insulation in pieces.
Alrighty. Here's the first strip going all the way down. The rest of this should go a little bit faster because it's all straight cuts, straight long cuts, but we will see. It's getting there, about halfway. Got a couple missing pieces here and there. I'm not quite the best fitting, but once I put the plywood on, that will help. Got Summer here now. Just picked her up from work. And I am finally done with the installation for tonight.
We're gonna come back tomorrow and do the board.
Yeah.
It's too late to saw right now.
Tonight, we're done. Tomorrow, I'm gonna lay the plywood and our laminate. All right, guys. See you in the morning.
What's up, guys? So it's the next day. We finished. Corey finished the insulation in there, and now we are trying to put out the diagram of what we're going to cut out with the saw. We have a little thing there, so we're going to see what we can do with this board and then put it in, and hopefully we can get the vinyl in by today. Alright, so we got this cut out. It's all done. We got screws in the bottom to the 2x4s or 1x2s or whatever we used. And now he's just putting a couple more in the other side, and then we're going to cut out that side and start the vinyl.
Alrighty. Got the plywood in, and we are now starting on the vinyl. It's coming on along. It's gonna be a little bit more difficult than what I thought, but that's everything for you. About half of it's in. Took me a minute to figure it out, but it's starting to come on along. Got Luna just chilling out here. Hi, Toon. Not to worry about that spot there because that's where some counters are gonna go, so that should be fine. Yeah. All finished. Finally figured it out. Just got a little cleanup to do tomorrow. Next project, we are figuring out what to do with all that and the siding. Decide if we're gonna keep the plastic or take it out. Let us know what you guys think. Alright guys, drop a comment, like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. That just lets us know that you want to keep seeing more of the van build. Alright, till next time, peace!